Today I'm going to show you a really good way to save some time and schedule your social media posts a week in advance. Now, before we get to the scheduling section, the first thing we need to do is take up a little bit of Facebook Analytics housekeeping. You've got to know what your analytics say because otherwise you're flying blind. So the way that you look at this is you go into your business manager, into your page, right? So here's our page that we're managing for Valkyrie. So when you see the basic of your home page, the next thing you want to click on is your Insights button. Your Insights button is going to tell you what's been performing via organic and paid. So what you can see here is this is all 100% organic. None of this is paid. We look at our ads analytics in our ads manager, which is a little bit different than going in like this. But what we want to do is find what our audience likes and do more of that. So the way we find that out is in the Insights menu. On the left-hand side, what you're going to click on is Posts. What Posts is going to tell you is a couple things. It's going to say, okay, what got the best engagement? So what did our audience like? How many people did it reach? And how many people responded? So we know that video hits. Now the tool that I'm going to use and show you guys how to do this is a really nifty tool because Facebook doesn't like when you post video from YouTube. However, the tool that I use makes every single video look completely native and organic to Facebook. But let's look and see what the best time for us to post is online. This is what this tells us. This tells us when our fans are online. So what you're looking at here is peaks and valleys. So when we have a peak right here, we know that a good majority of our audience is online at 11 a.m. every single day. So it makes sense for us to schedule posts for 11 o'clock every morning or around that time frame each and every day. Now, if you want to drill down even deeper, you can. But what you see here is it kind of averages out to right around 11 a.m. just about every single day of the week. And then sometimes it'll peak around 1 p.m. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up our scheduler to fire off posts between 11 and 1 p.m. Because another little secret that Facebook doesn't really tell you is that it doesn't like you posting at exactly the same time every single day. So we're going to take our two peaks and we're going to set up our scheduling software to work within those time frames. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So now what you're looking at is our incredibly robust social media scheduling tool. What you see here is it allows you to schedule posts to Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, LinkedIn, Google+, Instagram, Pinterest, and even WordPress. So we're going to actually take this and we're going to start scheduling some of these things out. But because we're pulling in native video and we know that doesn't work really well on LinkedIn and it doesn't work really well on Instagram or Pinterest, we're going to remove those from the equation for right now. And then we're going to pull in these videos, make them look native to Facebook, and then schedule them out for the week. But the first thing we need to do is make sure that we're scheduling at the right times. So we're going to go into our settings. We know that between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m., and by the way, this does change often. So when you're looking at these statistics, it's important to go in once a week and then say, okay, when is my audience online? When do I need to be scheduling things? So all you do is it's got everything done here and save. And then kapow, that's done. So now whatever you're scheduling will automatically fire off between those times. So what you can see here is there's already something that is scheduled right here. Now this one is scheduled for 12:25 p.m. today, which is fine. So, you've got this, you have, a little kind of mini article that we did, a status update with a picture because Facebook doesn't like text-only updates from a business page. So what we're going to do is we're going to head on over to our YouTube channel and we're going to take some of our most successful videos and we're going to schedule those for posts. So here's one right here. You've got the video. you have all of these different links here, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to hit the share button. You're going to copy this, go back over here to our software, and then you're going to write a message in this. So and then what's going to happen is we are going to not put this on LinkedIn. We're not going to put it on Instagram. We're not going to put it on Pinterest. And we're not going to put it on WordPress right now. Then we're going to save this as our default because we want to schedule for a full week on all of these different platforms. Now, the other super cool thing about this particular tool is you type this in here, and then you say you want it to generate hashtags for you. And it will automatically generate some of the best hashtags for you based on this. So you can see exactly where all these things are going, and then you have it scheduled out to go to your Facebook business page, your Twitter, your Tumblr, and your Google+. So this is pretty awesome. Then all you're going to do is hit add to queue, and boom, you can see it in here. It's pulled in. And then what you see here is that you have everything scheduled out to go. The video has been pulled in, so it will look like it's a straight video upload to Facebook itself, not a link from YouTube. So all you have to do is rinse and repeat this for the next 7 days. And then we revisit our analytics one more time. We go over it again. But you can literally schedule an entire week's worth of posts just by having already created content out there or things that you can link to for a full week in advance, so that you are able to really measure and track what's hitting with your audience, what you need to do more of, what new content you need to create, and pretty much everything else. So I hope you guys found this helpful. I'll be putting the link to the software that we're using in the comments if you want to try it out. It's really awesome. So you can check that out and then let us know what questions you have. Thanks so much. Have a great day.